எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்குறது எய்ம்ஸ், அதாவது 2019 நடந்த எய்ம்ஸ் எக்ஸாமில் கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகள். அதுக்கு ஆன்சரோடு உங்களுக்கு போடுறேன். இப்போ நீங்கள் அதை ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இந்த எக்ஸாமுக்கு உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். இப்போது வர்ற எக்ஸாம் வந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 15 எய்ம்ஸ்க்குள்ள வேக்கன்சி எல்லாத்தையுமே ஒரே எக்ஸாமில் ஃபில் பண்ண போகிறாங்க. அதனால் கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 3000 வேக்கன்சி, 3000க்கு மேலே வேக்கன்சி இருக்குது. அதனால் இப்போ யாரும் அப்ளை பண்ணாதவங்க உடனே அப்ளை பண்ணிடுங்க. 18ஆம் தேதி வரைக்கும் லாஸ்ட் டேட் இருக்குது. இப்போ இதில் வந்து ஒரு 100 கொஸ்டின், இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ வீடியோ பார்த்துருந்தாலும் அதில் வந்து வெறும் 10 கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஃபுல் டீட்டெயில்ஸு எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. வெறும் 10 கொஸ்டின் மட்டும் தான் ஓடும். அது வந்து அரை மணி நேரம் இருக்கிற வீடியோவாக இருக்கும். இப்போ நான் உங்களுக்காண்டி ஒரு குறைஞ்ச நேரத்தில் ஒரு 100 கொஸ்டின் வித் ஆன்சரோடு பார்க்குற மாதிரி ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இதை நீங்கள் பார்த்து படித்து உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாமுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலாம். இதில் ஏதாவது சந்தேகம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கீழே கமெண்ட்டில் தெரிவிங்க. The quantity of blood pumped by each ventricle into the aorta per minute is called, இதில் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரோக் வால்யூமா, டைட்டல் வால்யூமா, கார்டியாக் அவுட்புட்டா, பிளட் வால்யூமா. இதுக்கு வந்து ஆன்சர் வந்து கார்டியாக் அவுட்புட். Majority of water reabsorption takes place in which segment of a nephron? Proximal tubule, loop of Henle, distal tubule, collecting tubule. இதில் வந்து ஆன்சர் வந்து proximal tubule. Which among the following artery is not involved in the formation of circle of Willis? Option A, anterior cerebral artery. Option B, posterior communicating artery. Option C, anterior communicating artery. Option D, posterior cerebellar artery. Option D தான் ஆன்சர், posterior cerebellar artery. Acetabulum is present in which bone? Option A, scapula. Option B, sacrum. Option C, tibia. Option D, hip bone. Option D, hip bone. That's the correct answer. Fifth question. The fold presence in the mucosa of empty stomach is called papillae, ruci, villi or flagella. இதில் வந்து ஆன்சர் இஸ் B, ruci. Sixth question. Seale-Nielsen method of staining is used for the detection of which microorganisms? Option A, Clostridia. Option B, Coryn bacteria. Option C, Mycobacteria. Option D வந்து none of these. இதில் வந்து ஆப்ஷன் C, Mycobacteria தான் ஆன்சர். Seventh question. Causative organisms of Wells disease is option A, Treponema. Option B, Borrelia. Option C, Leptospirosis. ஆப்ஷன் டி, வேரிசில்லா. இதில் வந்து ஆப்ஷன் சி தான் இதுக்கு கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர், லெப்டோஸ்பைரா. எய்த் கொஸ்டின். த மென்டல் மெக்கானிசம்ஸ் இன் விச் த பர்சன் இஸ் ஜஸ்டிஃபையிங் ஹிஸ் ஐடியாஸ் ஆர் பிஹேவியர் இஸ்? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ, ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன். ஆப்ஷன் பி, காம்பன்சேஷன். ஆப்ஷன் சி, ஐடென்டிஃபிகேஷன். ஆப்ஷன் டி, ரேஷனலைசேஷன். இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து ஆப்ஷன் டி, ரேஷனலைசேஷன். த இன்பார்ன் all-round mental efficiency is called? Option A, intelligence. Option B, personality. Option C, aptitude. Option D, learning. இதுக்கு வந்து கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ, இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ். 10th question. The process by which the individual learns to conform to the norms of group is? Option A, social stratification. Option B, socialization. Option C, social control. Option D, social changes. இதில் ஆப்ஷன் B தான் ஆன்சர், socialization. 11th question. Marriage practice within the group is called? Option A, exogamy. Option B, polygamy. Option C, endogamy. Option D, monogamy. Answer is option C, endogamy. 12th question. Which among the following is an organized clinical instruction in the presence of a patient? Option A, role play. Option B, nursing care study. Option C, bedside clinic. Option D, none of these. இதில் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் C, bedside clinic. 13th question. Selecting a portion of the population to represent the entire population in research activity is called? Option A, sampling. Option B, variable. Option C, probability. Option D, statistics. இதில் வந்து ஆப்ஷன் ஏ தான் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர், சாம்பிளிங். 14th question. A failure in professional duty skill or practice that leads to injury or harm to the client is option A crime, option B torture, option C malpractice, option D assault. இது வந்து correct answer is option C malpractice. 15th question, dash is the broad statement of the purposes, duties and responsibilities of the particular job. Option A job description, option B job analysis, option C job specification, option D job statement. இது வந்து correct answer is option A job description. 16th question, a cut caused by sharp uneven instrument is option A puncture wound, option B incised wound, option C lacerated wound, option D perforating wound. இதில் வந்து கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் சி lacerated wound. 17th question, the angle of insertion of intradermal injection is option A 19 degree, option B 25 degree, option C 45 degree, option D 15 degree. இதில் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் D 15 degree. 18th question, an example of topical administration of medication. Option A instillation of eardrops, option B giving intramuscular injection, option C giving through mouth, option D giving nebulization. The correct answer is option A instilling eardrops. 19th question, syrup ampicillin 100 mg is ordered for a child. It is supplied in syrup for containing 250 mg in 5 ml. What is the dosage? Option A 1 ml, option B 5 ml, option C 5 ml, option D 2 ml. The correct answer is option D 2 ml. Which part of the nursing process includes the statements of the client's actual or potential problem? Option A assessment, option B implementation, option C nursing diagnosis, option D planning. Correct answer is option C nursing diagnosis. 21st question, for a healthy adult which vital sign indicates an abnormal findings? Option A blood pressure 120 by 80 mmHg, option B pulse 60 beats per minute, option C respiration 14 per minute, option D temperature 38 degree Celsius. Correct answer is option D temperature 38 degree Celsius. 22nd question, inflammation of the stomach is called option A stomatitis, option B gastritis, option C cirrhosis, option D enteritis. Correct answer is option B gastritis. 23rd question, this type of enema is given to destroy and expel the worms from the intestine. Option A stimulant enema, option B emollient enema, option C anthelmintic enema, option D oil enema. A correct answer is option C anthelmintic enema. 24th question, Florence Nightingale was born on option A May 12 1920, option B May 12 1820, option C May 12 1810, option D May 12 1830. Correct answer is option B May 12 1820. A cardiac patient suffer from dyspnea. Which bed is more comfortable for relieving dyspnea? Option A bed rest, option B cardiac bed, option C stump bed, option D occupied bed. Correct answer is option B cardiac bed. 26th question, for intramuscular injection the angle of insertion is option A 90 degree, option B 45 degree, option C 30 degree, option D 80 degree. Correct answer is option A 90 degree. 27th question, the act of striking the body surface to elicit sound that can be heard or vibration that can be felt is option A inspection, option B palpation, option C percussion, option D auscultation. Correct answer is option C percussion. 28th question, the most reliable site for checking body temperature is option A mouth, option B axilla, option C rectum, option D groin. Correct answer is option C, rectum. 29th question. A clinical judgment about individual, family or community responses to actual or potential health problem or life process. Option A, nursing diagnosis. Option B, assessment. Option C, implementation. Option D, evaluation. The correct answer is option A, nursing diagnosis. 30th question. The process of sorting casualties according to priority of care and transport is option A, intensive care. Option B, triage. Option C, first aid. Option D, rehabilitation. The correct answer is option B, triage. 31st question. The position in which patient lies on his back, head up the bed lowered and the foot raised in a straight incline is option A, Fowler position. Option B, Sims position. Option C, lithotomy. Option D, Trendelenburg. The correct answer is option D, Trendelenburg. 32 question number. While applying suction to air passage, a suction attempt should not exceed more than option A, 10 minutes. Option B, 10 to 15 seconds. Option C, 10 to 20 seconds. Option D, 5 minutes. The correct answer is option B, 10 to 15 seconds. 33 question. Mr. Rajan, 50 years, is ordered intravenous dextrose saline 2400 ml in 24 hours. Calculate the rate of flow. Option A, 25 drops. Option B, 20 drops. Option C, 23 drops. Option D, 18 drops. The correct answer is option A, 25 drops. 34th question. The temperature of ear irrigation solution should be between option A, 42-41 degrees Celsius. Option B, 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. Option C, 33 to 34 degrees Celsius. Option D, 35 to 36 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option B, 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. Question number 35. First aid treatment for snake bite include the following except option A, help the patient to lie down with head and shoulder raised. Option B, instruct not to move the bitten part. Option C, immobilize the bitten limb. Option D, slash the wound with a knife. The correct answer is option D, slash the wound with a knife. Question number 36. A disease spread very widely in a community or specific geographic area are called option A, endemic. Option B, epidemic. Option C, sporadic. Option D, pandemic. The correct answer is option B, epidemic. Question number 37. BCG vaccines should be kept in between temperature. Option A, 0 degree to 2 degree. Option B, 8 degree to 10 degree. Option C, 2 degree to 8 degree. Option D, 10 degree to 12 degree Celsius. Correct answer is option C, 2 degree Celsius to 8 degree Celsius. Question number 38. Prevention of Food Adulteration Act came into force in option A, 1996 January. Option B, 1955 June. Option C, 1997 December. Option D, 2000 January. The correct answer is option B, 1955 June. 39th question. Organic substance settle down during the process of sewage treatment as sediment called option A, sludge. Option B, scum. Option C, sewage. Option D, sewage. The correct answer is option A, sludge. Question number 40. Backbone of maternal and community health services is option A, home visit. Option B, under 5 clinic. Option C, maternal clinics. Option D, child health services. The correct answer is option A, home visiting. Question number 41. Calciferol deficiency results to option A, night blindness. Option B, angular stomatitis. Option C, rickets. Option D, scurvy. The correct answer is option C, rickets. Question number 42. World Health Day is celebrated on option A, April 10. Option B, April 9. Option C, April 2. option D, April 7. The correct answer is option D, April 7. Question number 43. Incubation period of chickenpox is option A 10 to 21 days, option B 1 to 7 days, option C 8 to 14 days, option D 14 to 21 days. The correct answer is option A 10 to 21 days. Question number 44. What is used to find out the amount of residual chlorine in water? Option A ozonation, option B ultraviolet irradiation test, option C Horrocks apparatus test, or option D orthodolidin test. The correct answer is option D orthodolidin test. Question number 45. National health policy has been formulated and accepted by central government is option A September 2000, option B September 2007, option C September 2002, option D September 2010. The correct answer is option C September 2002. 46th question. Immunity level is exhibited by a group of individual or a community towards a particular disease is called option A acquired immunity, option B natural immunity, option C herd immunity, option D passive immunity. The correct answer is option C herd immunity. Question number 47. The first contact point of community with the medical officer. Option A home, option B primary health center, option C community health center, option D district hospital. The correct answer is option B primary health center. 48th question. An observation that written like a short story is option A daily diary, option B cumulative record, option C family record, option D anecdotal record. The correct answer is option D anecdotal record. 49th question. The effectiveness duration of CU 380A from the day of insertion is dash years. Option A 5 years, option B 10 years, option C 7 years, option D 15 years. The correct answer is option B 10 years. Question number 50th. The intensity of light is measured is option A lax, option B pound, option C lumen, option D hertz. The correct answer is option A lax. Question number 51. Report is a form of dash communication. Option A downward, option B upward, option C horizontal, option D informal. The correct answer is option D. Question number 52. How many doses of vitamin A is given to children below 6 years as per National Vitamin A Prophylaxis Program? Option A 7 doses, option B 8 doses, option C 9 doses, option D 12 doses. The correct answer is option C 9 doses. Question number 53. Multi-purpose health worker program was started on the recommendation of dash committee. Option A Kardar Singh committee, option B Mukherjee committee, option C Mudaliar committee, option D Bohr committee. The correct answer is option A Kardar Singh committee. Question number 54. Headquarters of UNICEF is at option A Geneva, option B New Delhi, option C Paris, option D New York. The correct answer is option D New York. Question number is 55. Population coverage of community health center is hilly area. Option A 1 lakh, option B 80,000, option C 1 lakh to 20,000, option D 30,000. The correct answer is option B 80,000. Question number 56. A client electrolyte report shown that serum potassium level is 2.9 milliequivalent per liter. Which among the following is an ECG changes that can be expected? Option A absent P waves, option B elevated T waves, option C prominent U waves, option D elevated ST segment. The correct answer is option C prominent U waves. Question number 57. Trozius sign of latent tetany is a clinical test for which electrolyte abnormality? Option A, hyperkalemia. Option B, hypocalcemia. Option C, hypercalcemia. Option D, hyponatremia. The correct answer is option B, hypocalcemia. Question number 58. What type of acid-base imbalance is most likely to experience in patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD)? Option A, metabolic alkalosis. Option B, metabolic acidosis. Option C, respiratory alkalosis. Option D, respiratory acidosis. The correct answer is respiratory acidosis. Option D. Question number 59. What is the normal serum albumin value? Option A, 3.4 to 5.4 gram per dl. Option B, 6 to 8 gram per dl. Option C, 2.5 to 6.2 mg per dl. Option D, 4.5 to 8 mg per dl. The correct answer is option A, 3.4 to 5.4 gram per dl. Question number 60. HbA1c is test for option A, anemia. Option B, average blood glucose level for first 3 months. Option C, hepatitis B antigen. Option D, hepatitis C antibody. The correct answer is option B, average blood glucose level for first 3 months. 61. Question number. Which among the following intravenous solution is a hypertonic solution? Option A, 5% dextrose in water. Option B, ringer lactate. Option C, 0.9 sodium chloride. Option D, 3% sodium chloride. The correct answer is option D, 3% sodium chloride. Question number 62. Which maneuver is used to open airway during CPR in patients with suspecting spinal cord injury? Option A, neck flexure position. Option B, head tilt chin lift maneuver. Option C, jaw thrust maneuver. Option D, Heimlich maneuver. The correct answer is option C, jaw thrust maneuver. Question number 63. Beck's trait is a collection of 3 medical signs associated with cardiac tamponade. It include all except one of the following. Option A, decreased systolic BP. Option B, distended jugular vein. Option C, widened pulse pressure. Option D, muffled heart sound. The correct answer is option C, widened pulse pressure. Question number 64. PUVA therapy is used for the treatment of option A, psoriasis. Option B, Purunal. Option C, squamous cell carcinoma of skin. Option D வந்து impetigo. The correct answer is option A, psoriasis. Question number 65. In Lovett's scale of muscle strength assessment grade 3 fair indicate option A, active movement against full resistance. Option B, active movement on flat surface. Option C, flicker on or trace of contraction. Option D, active moment against gravity. The correct answer is option D, active moment against gravity. 66th question. Which hormone deficiency causes anemia among patients with renal failure? Option A, erythropoietin. Option B, aldosterone. Option C, renin. Option D, ADH. The correct answer is option A, erythropoietin. Question number 67th. Desmopressin acetate is prescribed for the treatment of diabetes insipidus. Which among the following indicate client's therapeutic response to treat? Option A, decreased blood pressure. Option B, urine output reduce. Option C, normal blood glucose level. Option D, decreased peripheral edema. The correct answer is option B, urine output reduced. 68th question. What is the other name for Whipple's procedure? Option A, gastrojejunostomy. Option B, gastroduodenostomy. Option C, pancreatoduodenectomy. Option D, cholangiopancreatography. The correct answer is option C, pancreatoduodenectomy. Question number 69. Which among the following is the most reliable cardiac isoenzyme used to diagnosis of myocardial infarction? Option A, AST. Option B, troponin T and I. Option C, myoglobin. Option D, CKMM. The correct answer is option B, troponin T and I. Question number 70. In a patient on mechanical prosthetic mitral heart valve, the recommended INR for anticoagulation therapy with warfarin is option A 1, option B 2, option C option 3, option D 4. The correct answer is option C 3. Question number 71. The most preferred site for intramuscular injection in children is option A ventrogluteal, option B vastus lateralis, option C deltoid, option D dorsogluteal. The correct answer is option B vastus lateralis. Question number 72. Down syndrome is characterized by option A trisomy 18, option B trisomy 13, option C trisomy 21, option D trisomy 81. The correct answer is option C trisomy 21. Question number 73. The stage which is also known as ugly duckling stage is option A school age, option B toddler, option C infancy, option D personal age. The correct answer is option A school age. 74. Wasted appearance with old man look in typical in option A Kwashiorkor, option B anemia, option C nephritis, option D marasmus. The correct answer is option D marasmus. Question number 75. A child is prescribed with oral paracetamol 550 mg. The drug is available as a syrup containing 250 mg in 5 ml. Calculate the required amount. Option A 13 ml, option B 11 ml, option C 10.5 ml, option D 9 ml. The correct answer is option B 11 ml. 76th question. The voluntary blocking of distressing thought or feelings from one's awareness is option A repression, option B regression, option C suppression, option D sublimation. The correct answer is option C suppression. 77 question number. National Mental Health Program was launched by Government of India is in option A 1981, option B 1985, option C 1990, option D 1982. The correct answer is option D 1982. Question number 78. The inability to recognize or describe one's emotion or mood is option A alexithymia, option B anhedonia, option C apathy, option D autism. The correct answer is option A alexithymia. Question number 79. Exhausted concern over his bodily health is known as option A obsession, option B delusion, option C hypochondriasis, option D conversion. The correct answer is option C hypochondriasis. Question number 80. Writing or pictorial art whose whole aim is to arouse the sexual passion of the reader or viewer is called option A pornography, option B incest, option C seduction, option D promiscuity. The correct answer is option A pornography. Question number 81. Milu therapy was developed by option A Sigmund Freud, option B Erickson, option C Jean Piaget, option D Maxwell Jones. The correct answer is option D Maxwell Jones. Question number 82. An illusion of recognition in which a new situation is incorrectly regarded as a repetition of a previous memory is called option A amnesia, option B deja vu, option C paramnesia, option D dementia. The correct answer is option B deja vu. Question number 83. Fear of stranger is option A xenophobia, option B zoophobia, option C allophobia, option D agoraphobia. The correct answer is option A xenophobia. Question number 84. இன் இந்தியா மென்டல் ஹெல்த் கேர் ஆக்ட் வாஸ் பாஸ்டு. இது வந்து ஆக்சுவலாக மென்டல் ஹெல்த்துக்குன்னு ஒரு ஆக்ட் கொண்டு வந்து 1987 கொண்டு வந்திருக்காங்க, 22 மேயில். அதுக்கப்புறம் அதில் வந்து சில திருத்தங்கள் மேற்கொண்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து 2013 வந்து அதை இது பண்ணுறாங்க, பில் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதாவது 19 ஆகஸ்ட் 2013. ஸோ இது ஆப்ஷன் வந்து பி கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இருக்கும். Question number 85. Normal serum lithium level is option A 0.8 to 1.2 milli equivalent per liter. Option B 0.4 to 2.0. Option C 0.2 to 2.0. Option D 2.0 to 2.5. The correct answer is option A 0.8 to 1.2 milli equivalent per liter. Question number 86. Posterior fontanelle closed by option A 18 weeks, option B 10 weeks, option C 6 weeks, option D 8 weeks. Correct answer is option C 6 weeks. 87th question. Violet blue discoloration of the vaginal membrane is called option A probable sign, option B Hacker sign, option C Osiander sign, option D Jacquemus sign. Correct answer is option D Jacquemus sign. 88 question number. The vitamin present in human colostrum that prevents hemolytic anemia is option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin D, option D vitamin E. The correct answer is option D vitamin E. Question number 89. Inflammation of the breast tissue is known as option A mastitis, option B engorgement, option C breast abscess, option D mastoiditis. The correct answer is option A mastitis. Question number 90. Lango appears on dash weeks. Option A 20 weeks, option B 24 weeks, option C 12 weeks, option D 16 weeks. The correct answer is option D 16 weeks. Question number 91. Failure to achieve orgasm results from complete absence of sexual desire is known as option A vaginismus, option B impotence, option C frigidity, option D ejaculatory. The correct answer is option C frigidity. Question number 92. In phase presentation, the denominator is option A mentum, option B occiput, option C acromion process, option D no denominator. The correct answer is option A mentum. 93 question. Sutures present between two parietal bones. Option A coronal suture, option B lumboidal suture, option C sagittal suture, option D frontal suture. The correct answer is option C sagittal suture. Question number 94. Number of arteries present in the umbilical cord. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 3. The correct answer is option B 2. Question number 95. Primary PPH starts within option A first 24 hours, option B first 12 hours, option C first 48 hours, option D first 10 hours. The correct answer is option A first 24 hours. 96th question. Assessment of Apgar score is done within option A 1 minute and 3 minutes, option B 1 minute and 5 minutes, option C 1 minute and 10 minutes, option D 1 minute and 7 minutes. The correct answer is option B 1 minute and 5 minutes. Question number 97. Placenta having two complete and separate lobes, each with umbilical vessel called option A circumvallate, option B succentoriate lobe of placenta, option C tripartite placenta, option D bipartite placenta. The correct answer is option D bipartite placenta. Question number 98. Using Nagel's rule for a client whose last menstrual period began on January 7th, the nurse determined that the client's estimated date of childbirth is option A October 7th, option B. September 7th, option C. September 14th, option D. October 14th. The correct answer is option D. October 14th. Question number 99. While performing abdominal palpation, which action would the nurse ask the client to perform to ensure optimal comfort and accuracy? Option A. Breathe deep for 1 minute. Option B. Empty her bladder. Option C. Drink a full glass of water. Option D. Lie on her left side. The correct answer is option B. Empty her bladder. Question number 100. The last one. One of the following is not a sign of placental separation. Option A. Gush of blood. Option B. Lengthening of umbilical cord. Option C. Changes in the shape of uterus. Option D. Increase in the uterus size. The correct answer is option D. Increase in uterine size. இதில் நம்ம பார்த்த 100 கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சருக்குமே எதுக்குமே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணலை. ஏன் அப்படின்னா நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணால் இன்னும் டைம் அதிகமாக எடுக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காண்டி எதுவுமே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணலை. இது இன்கேஸ் ஏதாவது ஒரு டவுட் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் கீழே கமெண்ட்டில் தெரிவிக்கலாம். குறைஞ்ச நேரத்தில் அதிகமான கொஸ்டின் பார்க்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் நம்ம டார்கெட்டு. இனி வர வீடியோஸ்லேயுமே வந்து நிறைய கொஸ்டின் போகிற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா இப்போ எக்ஸாம் வர்றதுனால எல்லோரும் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவீங்க. இது கொஞ்சம் உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். கொஞ்சம் நேரத்தில் வந்து நிறைய கொஸ்டின் பார்த்த மாதிரி. தேங்க்யூ.